In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot interface effectively. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner looking to familiarize yourself with the platform, this guide will walk you through the essential steps needed to get started with HubSpot's marketing tools, specifically focusing on setting up an email marketing campaign. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by going to the HubSpot user guide. Open your web browser and enter the website URL. This will bring you to the landing page. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you should see a menu on the side or top of the page, depending on your interface configuration. Next, let's focus on navigating through the menu options. Look for and click on Marketing. This is your gateway to the tools essential for creating and managing your marketing campaigns. Once you've clicked on it, a drop-down will appear with several options to explore further. Now, select Email from the list. This is where you'll be crafting your email campaigns and managing your communication strategies. Clicking here will direct you to the email dashboard. Look around and familiarize yourself with this page. You'll see a list of previously created emails and options to manage them. With your email dashboard open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find a button labeled New Email. Click on this and it will lead you to the initial setup page for creating a fresh email campaign. This button is crucial for starting your new outreach efforts, allowing you to build and send out emails to your audience. Once you're on the new email creation page, look for the Setup button. Click on it to proceed to the initial setup options for your email campaign. This is where you'll configure the basics for your email, including sender information and campaign settings. It's important to take your time here to make sure everything aligns with your goals. The next stop is the Organize section, which you can access by clicking on the corresponding button. Here, you can categorize your email campaigns based on factors like purpose or target audience. Organizing your campaigns is key to maintaining clarity, especially as you scale your marketing efforts. Finally, move on to Template settings by clicking on that option. This is where the aesthetics and structural setup of your email take place, to grab your audience's attention once they've opened your email. You can choose a template that fits your brand or create a custom one, depending on your needs. Careful selection of templates can enhance your communication strategy significantly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with email campaigns on HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the HubSpot platform and leveraging it to grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.